Hello, good morning. Welcome everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Um, I am Megha and I am here today for energizing yoga session, and of course it would be relaxing as well. Yes, we are waiting for people. Hi Palak, we are waiting for people to join in. Yes, people are joining in, looks like. All right, and I am very excited today because, obviously so glad that Crush Fitness India has, been associated with Anytime Fitness, and of course, that's a wonderful opportunity to be here, to be able to present, and to be able to assist here, everybody, all of you, for the session. Okay. Good morning, everybody. Yes, there are people joining in. Good morning and welcome. All right, so let's get going. We can just start with sitting and connecting with our mats. I hope everyone is having a bottle of water around. You are having maybe a strap or a dupatta if you are a beginner. Okay, so this is my strap. But those who are practitioners, they are good to go. You're having water, you're having a towel around so that you do not have to, move here and there. I hope everyone can hear me clearly. Just give me a thumbs up. You can hear me clearly. Okay, wonderful. You can see me clearly. Yes. Okay, that's great. All right, so let's start. Let's sit on the mats and just connect with the mats first. Sitting with your spine straight. So here, let me mention you something. I'm using the block here. If you are not having a block, good morning everybody. And yeah, of course, so happy to see all of you here. So if you do not have a block, then you may place a cushion beneath your hip. Okay. So while you're sitting in Sukhasana, then you can just place this block or a cushion beneath your hip. Yeah. So this will just elongate your spine. It will bring that straightness because the entire day we are, we are mostly sitting like this with a hooked spine. Yeah. So that's the way it is. If you place a cushion beneath your hip, you'll instantly feel that relaxation, extension of the spine और आप सीधा बैठ पाएंगे. Okay. All right. So today's session we would be working on important muscles through yoga. And of course, yoga means union of mind and body. So we would be also aiming at immunity busters. Also, I would be taking certain hip opening exercises throughout the session, so that those who are feeling, tight-hipped, I'm just giving you an overview of the session. Those who are feeling tight-hipped, यहाँ पे बहुत stiffness है lower body में बैठ के. So for those, it will be a beneficial session. So that's the content of today's session. And of course, immunity. Today, in the times of COVID-19, immunity is a big issue. So we would be definitely taking what all we can do through back bends and chest openers for immunity busting. Okay, so let's get started. Sitting in Sukhasana. Those who are practitioners, they can come to Padmasana, yeah, or they can come to Padmasana. Those who have knee issue can refrain from locking your legs this way. They can just sit comfortably. They can just sit cross-leg position. Your spine has to be straight, most important. So now just close your eyes. Take a deep breath. In. And exhale from your mouth. Take a deep breath again. Exhale from your mouth. Yes, so here we are connecting with the mat, we are connecting with ourselves. Hands are comfortably placed. We are connecting with what's going inward. Yeah, since we cannot go out, so let's try and come inward. So here we are connecting inward, what's happening. And just rate yourself on the scale of 1 to 10 how you're feeling. Any aches and pain, any stiffness anywhere? How is your breathing? Just assess and connect with yourself. So we have to be mindful in all the postures. So there is, a difference. Yoga postures means being mindful. So connect and watch what's happening inside. One deep breath again. Take a deep breath from your nose. Exhale with a ha sound from your mouth. One more. Take a deep breath. Spine is straight. Exhale now from your mouth. A wonderful anxiety buster. Okay, a wonderful anxiety buster. If you're feeling anxious, एकदम से आप mouth से exhalation करिए. If there's some pulsing that you're feeling, palpitation that you're feeling, if you're feeling angry, do this, practice this technique of breathing out from your mouth. Inhale nose, exhale from your mouth. Okay, wonderful. Alright, so now we're just placing our hands in Dhyan Mudra. The index finger and the thumb touch each other, the rest fingers are downward facing. Back is straight, Om 3 times, and Om will be a Oma. Take a deep breath. Join me for Om. Deep breath. Deep breath. Add a smile to your face. And let's begin with the practice. Gently open your eyes. Okay. And first, I wish to take Vastrika. Okay, that's a breathing technique. If you do this daily, this will work wonderfully for your immunity. Okay. So, we can move from slow to fast. So this is the first breathing exercise that I'm doing. This works as a cleanser. This is called Vastrika. We're just moving slow to fast here. Okay, inhaling, exhaling from the nostrils. Right? So you can now place your hands upside down, sitting upright. Those are joining late. If you can get a cushion, please place it beneath the hip so that your spine remains straight. Okay. Chaliye, let's start. So, watch me. From slow to fast pace, we will move. Those who are having any heart ailment or anybody with maybe a high blood pressure, they can just continue to be at a slow pace. Okay? Okay. Let's start. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, yes, from the nostrils, exhale, inhale, exhale. Let's create a tempo, increase, inhale, exhale. Feel the clearing of your nostrils happening. You can carry a tissue or a hanky around. Yes, keep going, wonderful. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Those with high blood pressure, do not go faster. Inhale, exhale, release. Yes, good. Now, a tad more faster. Yes, continue. Wonderful. Keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Great. Keep going. Yes, yes, my immunity is getting better. My nostrils are getting clearer. Keep going. Yes, there would be affirmations towards the end, guys, so stay hooked there. There would be affirmations. Thank you so much, everybody, for the warm welcome. You all are welcome as well. Yes, keep going, keep going. And relax. Take a deep breath. Exhale from the mouth. Instant relaxation. Again, inhale from your nose, exhale from your mouth. And exhale. Okay, let's try holding our breath simply. Let's give it a try. Let's hold for 20 seconds. Anyone with high BP can shun this. Deep breath. Hold. 1, 2. Hold your breath. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale. Beautiful. Yes. So while we were holding the breath, because of course it expands the capacity of the lungs, and we are not forgetting that today, rather in all the sessions, whenever you're practicing yoga, we are working on the lung capacity, we are working on our immunity. Whenever you expand your chest, your heart and your lungs, automatically they are designed such way that they function better. Yeah? Okay. And for the beginners, please practice as much as you can. Do not go overboard, okay, because we want no injuries, right? So just stick to your limits, listen to your body, and you're good to go. Alright, so let's stand for a warm-up. Yes, a simple warm-up. A warm-up is important, so is the cool-down important. So let's start for the warm-up. Standing in samsthiti, upright. Are you feeling equal weight on the balls of your heels? Chest is open, your spine is straight. Yeah, shoulders roll back. Standing straight, your hands tucked by your side. First check, this is called samsthiti. Seedha khada hona is a challenge, guys. It's not that easy. Okay, so now just starting with the neck rotations. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Yes, move to right. Up. Exhale. 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 Up. Exhale. Alright, let's do clockwise rotation from left shoulder to the right. Right shoulder, left. Semi-circles we are making, full circle नहीं बना रहे हैं क्योंकि कोई cervical problem भी हो सकता है किसी को, so we are not triggering that. Not making a chin lock. Yes, keep going from one shoulder to the other. Neck rotation. Okay. Change. Alright, let's now start with shrugs. 1, 2, shoulder shrugs. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, good. Coming for the wrist. 1, 2, 3, muthi band, the thumb is in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now pressing your palms. Yes, press. 1, 2, press tight so that you feel the burn here on the shoulders. 5, 4, press the palms, fingers tightly. 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, awesome. Now we are just lifting our shoulders up and back this way, as if we are just squeezing something between our shoulder blades. Yeah, lift up, back. I cannot do it. Yes, go back. 1, 2, miss. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep it squeezed. Keep the shoulder blades squeezed. 6, 7. Stay there. 8, 9, and release. Okay, good job, guys. Gripping both your elbows, shoulder movements. 1, 2. Keep breathing. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. कहीं पे भी breathing रुकेगी नहीं. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Yes, feel the work. Your entire spine is getting elongated. Yes, rotation happening in the shoulders. The frozen shoulders are getting active. Okay, good. Release. Now, next, joining your elbows. And 1, those are joining now. We're just taking the warm up. 3, yes, full body rotation, joint mobility, that's what we are taking. And up. Inhale. Exhale. Last 2. Yes. So do not bring your chin down. Okay? We do not want any trigger in the cervical. Maybe people are there who have cervical pain. Yeah? Okay, never bring your chin down this way. Next, just gently, I'm folding my right, gripping this way and pulling it towards myself. Yeah. Release. Change. A little bit stretch. Never hurts. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Release. Okay. Something for the torso. Bring your right leg on the left one. Now take your right arm up and stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and release. Good job, people. Change. Left is up on the right. Inhale, take your hand up and stretch. 1. Yes, so we are working on the obliques. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Release. Now, another one. You can grip your hands from the back, okay, and make a inhale. Go back, back bend with the chest open. Exhale, forward. Flat back position. So here my thigh muscle is up. I'm pulling my quadriceps, the thigh. This is the big muscle. I'm pulling it towards my abdomen. Yes, so that my knees do not bend. Good. Now inhale up. 1. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Bringing mobility to the spine. All the movements of the spine we are doing here. Good. 1. Exhale. 2. Exhale. 3. Exhale forward. 4. Exhale. 5. Exhale. Okay. Wonderful. So, whenever you are inhaling, whenever we are going anti-gravity, like this, we are inhaling. Whenever we are going towards gravity, we are exhaling for the beginners. Okay, thumb rule. Alright, so the next one, for a twisting movement of the spine, grip your elbows, toes are together, right and left. Keep breathing. Exhale. Exhale. Exhale, up while you twist. Exhale. Yes. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release. Okay. Wonderful. Alright. Next, coming to Tadasana. hands at the sides. As I said, samsthiti, shoulders roll back and down. Okay, so now inhale, grip your hands and pull up. Coming on the toes. 1. Focus on a point because this is also balancing. So eyes का focus एक point पे लेके जाइए. Focus on a point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Release. Exhale. Okay, good job. Next one. Slowly. Now next, we would be taking one balancing pose that's called dancer's pose, Natarajasana. Why balancing? Because balancing is something which can be done daily and which rather should be done because it works on the, I would say your hemispheres of your brains. Okay, so आपके brain के hemispheres का जो correlation है, उनको improve करता है. Your memory becomes stronger, your focus becomes stronger. Yeah, with balancing postures. So those maybe those kids who really get distracted very quickly, and maybe those kids who cannot sit at one place are hyper, good for them as well. Yeah, so rather good for everybody because at times you're not able to focus when we need to do that. Right? Okay, so dancer's pose. Take a deep breath. So first, you can watch me and then you can join. I folded my right leg, grip kar diya, gripping my toe with my right hand. Inhale and focus on a point. Keep pulling your right leg up. Yes. And make sure that your left thigh, the quad, is pulled up so that your knee is not bending. Focus. Yes. Please join. 1, 2. I'll count till 10. 3, 4. Focus. 5. On a point. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Slowly bringing your leg back and down. Change. Taking the other side. Now, I'm folding my left leg, again gripping. My right thigh is tight, pulled up, so that I do not become unstable. Focus. दृष्टि एक पॉइंट पे, विजन एक पॉइंट पे लाइए. पीछे से टो को ऊपर उठाते जाइए. Inhaling. Yes, my right hand is up. I'm lifting my toe up. Yes, beautiful. 1, 2. Also maintain the pelvic forward. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and release. Slowly release and come back. Okay. Good job, people. So this was a balancing pose which we did. Next, I'm coming for Surya Namaskar. Everybody knows Surya Namaskar. We are just doing a basic Surya Namaskar with 3 cycles of Surya Namaskar that we will do together. And so please make sure that we are breathing right. Okay, we are breathing in between. So आपने inhale, exhale करते जाना है. Okay, so let's come forward at the front of our mats for Surya Namaskar. Step 1. Hands in. Namaste. Inhale. Arms up. Arching back in Hasbuddha. Exhale. Coming down. So for those who are not able, maybe they have a problem with the lower back or disc, they can just come this way. Okay. Rest and come this way. Pull up your thighs. Pull up your thighs. Yeah, pull up your thighs. Now, lift your right leg and go back. I am placing my right knee down so that my chest is expanded. Also, Make sure that the knee and the heel are in a straight line, the chest is out in Ashwa Sanchalan. Yes, keep breathing. Again, tuck your toe in and go back to mountain pose. Go back to mountain pose or Adho Mukha Svanasana. Put your weight on the heels. पीछे की तरफ weight को छोड़िए. Feel the burn on the calves that you're getting. Yes. So works wonderfully and opens up the entire muscles, the chain of the muscles at the back of your legs, right from the calves and the hamstrings. Observe, be mindful what's happening to the legs. Observe. Okay. From here, coming down, knee dip, chest chin down. Yes, the chest in. Elbows are tucked in with the body, guys. So this is called Ashtanga Naman. Elbows tucked in with the body. Hip a bit up. Yes, because navel is up. Now slide forward for Bhujang. Inhale. Elbows still tucked with the body. My toes and metatarsals are down from the back. Toes are flat. Chest open. My elbows tucked in with the body. My hands are not carrying any weight. Okay? See to it that your hands are not carrying any weight. There is no weight on the hands. I'm all on my spine. Wonderful to enhance the spine strength. Okay? So you can hold it more. जिनका spine weak है, spine strength के लिए इसको hold करिए. It works wonderfully on the middle back, thoracic. Now inhale, come up. Exhale, go back to mountain. I'm going a bit slow. For the sessions, I will be increasing the pace, the further cycles of Surya Namaskar. Yes, from mountain. Now bring your right leg forward. Chest open. Yes, chest open, guys. Always. In all the postures. Chest is never closed. Chest is always open. Check. जिन लोगों का पैर पीछे की तरफ रह गया, that's okay. You can bring your hands back. Okay, you can bring your hands back this way. Or you can maybe take your leg forward this way. Right? Alright, come up. Exhale. Now take a deep breath to inhale. Back bend. Exhale into Namaste. Alright, let's start. The next one, now we'll do from the left. Inhale, arms up. Arching back. Exhale, down. Take your left leg back. Yes. Chest out. Check your knee. Change. Mountain. Heels push backward. Perfect triangle. Heels push backward. No hunch in the spine. We're looking between the toes. Forward. Dip. Slide up. And now come up. Exhale to mountain. Left leg forward. Please go at your own pace. Do not forget to breathe. Keep breathing. Change. Inhale, arms up. Arching back. And Namaste. Okay. Good going, guys. So these were two. So next, we would be needing to add, I would be adding certain variations. Yeah. So there would be hip opening variations to the Surya Namaskar, so follow me. So you could call it a flow as well. I will be adding certain variations now. So this was just to warm up the body and energize yourself that we did 2 Surya Namaskars. Now we are going further with variations. Inhale, arms up, arching back. Simply come down, stay. 5, 4, hip push backward, hands are straight, spine सीधी करिए. Malasana. Good. So again, back. So keeping the plank position midway, okay, so that we are not going this, hurting the spine or going this. So we are trying to maintain a plank position with our core engaged. Come forward to Malasana. This is called Malasana when your heels are on the mat. Those who cannot jump, those who have knee issue, please do not jump. They can just walk. Yes, wonderful. Complete 10 here. Good for burning a lot of calories, guys. Good. Yes, keep going. Aids in weight loss. 4. 5. Go back. 6. Go back. 7. Go back. 8. Yes. Go back. 9. Back. And 10. Alright. How are we feeling? Energized? Warmed up? Good. Go back. Go to mountain. Yes, so there is shoulder level distance between our legs, mountain pose. So now, take your right leg out of the mat, push your hip down, go back. Left out of the mat, back. Right, back. Left, back. Continue. Faster. 1, back. 2, back. Dip your hip. 3, back. 4, back. 5, back. 6, back. Keep going. 7, back. 8, back. 9, back. 10, back. Stay there in the plank position. 1, 2, 10 seconds plank. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, drop. And relax. Go back to Shashankasana for a while. Shashankasana. Hip goes at the back. Yes. Watch your breath. Pulling my hip back. हाथ आगे से खींचे हैं हमने. Okay, this way. So you see the elongation happening of the spine? Yes. Okay. Wonderful. Again. Go back to mountain pose. Lift your right leg up. Yeah. So the left heel, I'm pressing it down, and now the right leg, swoop it to pigeon pose. Swoop it this way. Swoop it further. And make sure that both the hip are in a straight line. So we're not falling this way on any of the sides. Alright? So I'm sitting on my right hip, on the sit bone. Yes, wonderful. Good going, guys. Chest open. Shoulders are back. Chest open. Okay, I'm adding a variation here. So, also please check that the toe which is at the back, is that flat? उसको नीचे दबाइए मैट में. ठीक है? चलिए. Adding a variation, a beautiful one. Your hands this way. This is a fun variation, guys. Cross, interlace this way, and stay. Okay, so this is Garud. So I'm taking half Garud. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep trying. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, working on the shoulders. 9, and release. Open up. Good job. Go back. Again, going up for mountain pose. Heels push back. Heels push back. Weight पीछे की तरफ डालते हैं mountain में. Heels की तरफ. Okay, wonderful. Now raise your left leg. Raise it. Watch what's happening to the right. Right thigh को खींच के रखा है हमने. Heel नीचे की तरफ press कर रहा है for stability. And now move forward for pigeon pose. Chest open. flat. My right toe is flat. Panja नीचे दबा है. Yes. So that my knee is in place, the right one. And now I am interlacing with the opposite hands. Earlier I took the right hand up. Now I am taking the left. And stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep checking your posture. Fall तो नहीं कर रहे right and left. 5. Those who are falling, they can maybe place a cushion this way. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Good job, people. Yes, and up. Coming up, mountain. Heels push back again. Stay there in mountain for a few more breaths. Be mindful. Weight पीछे की तरफ छोड़िए. Okay, good. Simply bring your right forward. Bring your left forward. Sitting again in Malasana. Yes. Check your spine. Alright. Inhale, close together. And place your hands, interlock. Come this way, interlock your hands. Thighs pulled up. Yes, expansion of the chest happening. Now, again, inhale, come up. And pull yourself into a back bend. And release. Release. Okay. How are you all feeling? Good job. Okay. Missed the messages, few of the messages, guys. Keep it up. Going good. Going good. Okay. Next. See, your questions or queries, I'll answer the question later. So let's come on, move further. Now we're taking a kneeling pose called Ustrasana. Kneeling down. Yeah, already sweating. Feel the heat in your body. And of course, since this is an intermediate session, so I wanted to keep it in such a manner, designed in such a manner that we're also focusing on weight loss. Yeah. So what we did, along with opening up the hip, it also aided to a weight loss your routine, right? So come for Ustrasana next. आप जितनी बार भी back bend करेंगे, watch the opening of the rib cage here. The costal muscles expand. Also your rib cage opens. जितना आपका ये expansion होता है, lungs आपके खुल जाते हैं, strong होते हैं. जितना आप ऐसे करके बैठते हैं, there is a hunch that you develop over the ears, and the anahata, the heart chakra, becomes closed. You get prone to negative thoughts. The more you are this way sitting, so make it a point. Sit this way. Be mindful whenever you're sitting. Your chest should be open, so that the anahata is open. You attract positive thoughts, and at the same time your lungs and heart get space to work better. So keep this open. All right? Chaliye. So I'm here this way. Those who are having maybe knee pain, they can roll the mat or take the cushion, place beneath their knees. So we are taking Ustrasana. I'm taking the one hand variation. You can just tuck your toes in. My left hand is on the hip here. Okay. So inhale and make a back bend. Take your right hand up. Yes, and drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. So we are keeping the pelvic straight, pelvic forward. We are thrusting the hip out. Okay. Change. और आपको ये देखना है कि आपने ऐसे पीछे नहीं जाना. Okay. Spine को पीछे लेके जाना है. Folding the spine. Good guys. Change. Take your right hand now. It's on the right hip joint. Inhale. Drop. 1. Keep breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5. Few people might feel dizzy अगर आपने सांस रोक लिया. 6. सांस भरते रहो. 7, 8, 9 and release. Slowly come back. Okay, good job. Coming in Vajrasana. Next. Vajrasana everybody knows. So we are, my big toe is touching each other. I'm sitting between the space, on the space between my heels. Back is straight, my hands are here on the thighs. Now, another one. So now mostly I would be taking chest openers for immunity and back bends as well to raise your immunity level. Chest खोलने के लिए. चलिए, so let's do this. Supta Vajrasana. I am dropping my left elbow, dropping my right, okay, and just going back. For those who are finding this tough, stay here, okay. Practitioners can go down. I have kept a little distance between my knees so that there is not too much of pressure on my knees. But if anyone is having a knee injury, then you can stop. Chest open always. Yeah. Good. You can now take your hands up, stretch and interlock your hands. Place it like a pillow beneath your head. Wonderful stretch it gives to the quads, yeah, the quadriceps, the thighs, the big muscle. At the same time, watch the expansion that you're getting on the chest. Be mindful. See what's the posture doing on you. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now again, come up gently, no jerking. Come up on your elbows. Take support of your elbows. And gently come up. Alright. Next, we are coming on the abdomen for Dhanurasana and its variation. So, coming on the abdomen now. Yeah, my chin is down. Now hold your right leg, hold the toe, right toe with your right hand, left with the left, and a little bit distance between the knees. Okay, so now inhale, chest up, toes up. Good. So now let's do a little bit variation here. Let's pulse. 1. Inhale. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Give me 10 guys. Inhale, exhale, pulse, pulse. Open up the chest. Keep breathing. Wonderful. Down. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Release. Now stay there, stay there. We are still holding the toes. Okay? So we are still holding the toes. Yes. And moving to right and left. So 1, 2. Try to keep your knees together. 3. Yes. So we are rocking here. Rocking from right to left. This gives a massage to your digestive organs. Aids in weight loss, reducing the belly. Yes, keep going. Plus, chest expansion to मिल ही रहा है. So what a wonderful posture. 5, 4. Keep going, keep going. 3, 2, and 1. Release. Okay. stay there. Take few breaths, relax yourself, take few breaths here, lie down on your belly, just taking few breaths, taking few breaths. Good. And simply, now turn from your right, come up on your spine. Next, we are taking Setubandh Asana, bridge pose. Important one because it works on the strength of your spine. Okay, so make sure that the distance between the, I would say, how do we judge the right distance? So, the tallest finger is touching my heel, okay? The tallest finger is touching my heel. So, this is my correct distance. So, this is how I can measure. Yeah? Okay, so now take a deep breath and raise the pelvic up. Shoulder level distance is there between the knees. Yeah, raise it up. Shoulders को और अंदर करते जाते हैं. Good, lift up. You can squeeze the pelvic, lift it higher. Squeeze the glutes, sorry. You can squeeze the glutes, lift it higher. Hip को squeeze करके और ऊपर जाइए. 1, stay there. 2, 3, 4. Feel what's happening on the spine. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't come down. Just take a variation here. Raise your right leg up. 1, 2. The pelvic doesn't dip down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Dip. Good. Take your left leg up. 1. Pelvic there itself. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And now we can come on our toes. Toes pe aaye. And let's start dipping. Here, I'm on my toes now. Dip. 1, 2, 3, 10 dips. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Release. Straighten your legs. Relax your breath. Just relax your breath. Stay there. Okay. Cooling down with rolling. So, I'm rolling. Hug your knees. Yes. And come up. Okay. So, this is how I'm coming up. Again, hug your knees tightly. ठीक है, चेस्ट के पास नीज को दबाइए, के पास लेके जाइए, दबाते जाइए. Yeah. Can your chin touch your knee? Check. Okay. And now roll. 1, 2. Yes. 3. Keep rolling. 5 times. 4 and 5. 5 times right and left. Okay. Let's roll right and left. 1. Knees आपके ऐसे ही chest पे दबी रहे. 2, 3, 4, 5 and release. Okay, great. Good job, people. Feel what's happening. What all have you changed in the body, and that's your own effort. Commendable. Okay, next. Another way to relax your spine. I am just folding my knees. Right knee goes on top of the left, interlacing it as it's, we are just interlacing it as if I'm just doing Garudasana. पहले मैंने हाथ से किया था in pigeon pose. That was a variation. I broke this posture. I took it this way. Now I am just interlacing my legs. Those who cannot interlace, वो ऐसे रख लीजिए, ठीक है? ऐसे रख लीजिए. Otherwise, try to interlace it this way. Got it? Fold your knees near knee. Yes, good. So now check. जो आपका lower leg है, उस तरफ पे लोअर बॉडी को टर्न कर दीजिए, लोअर लेग, या, एंड मेक श्योर दैट योर शोल्डर्स आर डाउन. You can extend your hands, you can keep your hands in comfortable position, stretched out. Feel the relaxation that's coming on the spine here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Center. Release. Now again fold. Let's take, now left leg, fold it, wrap it this way, okay? And now this is my lower leg, so I am twisting, bending towards my lower leg. If your leg can touch the mat, it's good. कोशिश करिए. Spine पे relaxation जो आ रही है उसको feel करिए. Shoulders should be down. Yes, shoulder blades we are not moving up. And come out. And release. Just relax. Just relax. Yes, feel the relaxation that you're getting. Feel the relaxing stretches that you did. Okay, next I am taking fish pose. So for that, or Matsya. So excellent for those who have cervical. Coming on the elbows, this way. I'm bending my neck in such a manner that my crown is touching the mat, okay? And I am also, my legs are straight now, but I can add a variation which will give my core a challenge. So now let's bring legs at 30 degree. My neck is still in fish pose because my crown is down, folded, chest open, shoulders up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beginners can place their heels down. Rest, please. Bring your heels up. 30 degree up. 8, 9. Slowly drop down. Heels down. Neck को सीधा करिए. Yes. Straighten your neck and just cool down. Relax your body. Let me just sit in water. Okay, so now how to relax? So we can take a posture which is called Vipreet Karni. Okay, so it's time for us to just unwind and relax. So what you could do is, you maybe would be having a wall or a sofa around you. Yeah, so just take your legs upright. Okay, the hip should be touching the base of the wall or the sofa, and your legs can be straight. अगर सोफा है तो आप उसको ऐसे भी रख सकते हैं. Okay, and your hands are by your side, and just cool down. Just cool down and relax. Excellent for those who have problems like varicose veins. Works wonderfully for those who have to stand, and I'm sure you know today. Yeah, keep stay there, guys, stay there. Yeah, just relax, cool down now. So this is how we're relaxing today. Instead of a Shavasana, that's how we're relaxing. So here, the pumping of the blood, there is blood pooling in the legs due to long standing hours, for maybe for home workers, for ladies. You are standing for long hours doing all the household chores these days. Yeah, I understand that. Also, for those who are sitting, so there is a lot of blood pooling might be happening. अगर आप chair पे बैठे हैं काफी घंटों से, for corporate, for people who are working for corporates. So if you are sitting for long hours, then there is also another blood pooling which happens in the legs, and swelling happens in the legs. So this is why we are doing this Vipreet Karni. Yeah. So that the excess blood drains back, the excess fluids drains back to your body. Digestive organs strong हो रहे हैं आपके, blood वापस जा रहा है, okay, it goes towards the heart, flows towards the digestive organs. So that's why we have done this this posture, which is called Viparit Karni. We are lying in Viparit Karni and just relaxing. Okay, so we can just turn and come up. So let's just turn. Turning easily, go easy and come up. And sit comfortably. You can again get a cushion beneath the hip for more straightening of your spine. Sit comfortably in Sukhasana. Keeping your eyes closed, just analyze before I close the session. Let's analyze. Aankhein band. Connect with yourself. Adding a smile to your face. And now I'm affirming to myself that this is a phase which shall pass quickly. This too shall pass. I am making the most out of this time. These are the affirmations, guys. We are repeating these affirmations to ourselves. Try doing this daily. We are making most of this time. I am indulging in my hobbies. I am getting to spend more time with my family. I am doing all that I was craving for earlier because I did not have time. So now I am making the best use of my time. I am positive. I have a strong immune system. My chest, nose, throat are clear. I trust my body. I take good care through exercise and through good diet. There may be times when I feel low, but I quickly bounce back to myself. I am thankful and grateful to the Almighty because I feel that I am divinely blessed and I am divinely protected. I repeat, I am divinely protected, thankful, grateful, I am divinely blessed. With these affirmations, I wish you all a very pleasant day ahead. Let's conclude with Om. Deep breath. Rubbing your palms, placing this energy on your body. Thank you. Thank you so much, people. Thank you for your time and have a pleasant day ahead. See you again. Bye-bye. Yes, questions? Well, yeah, of course, we would plan meditation soon. Thank you so much. I'm glad everyone everybody enjoying the session here? Yes, thank you so much. Oh, wonderful. Thank you, Sarika ji. Uh, yes, thank you. Thank you, guys. Very nice. All warmed up and feeling good. Great. Thank you. Thanks for the encouraging words. I'm also super happy to be here on this platform, wonderful platform. Sure. Okay. All right. Thank you. Thank you so much for the feedback. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thanks for telling me that you're feeling very energetic. And yes. All right, thank you. Okay, good. I'm glad you enjoyed the affirmations as well. Yes, of course, we would be doing meditations soon. Yes, lots of comments are flowing. Thank you. Thank you and have a hi everybody. Thank you so much. So signing off. See you again. Have a pleasant day ahead. Thank you so much, people. Thanks for being there. Thanks for your time. Thank you so much. I really enjoyed. I hope you all did as well. Thank you so much. See you later. Bye bye. Good day.